Good morning, students. Our today's topic is chapter 6, Physical and Chemical Change Exercise. Here, the question number first of this exercise is, classify the change involved in the following process as physical or chemical change. So, first one is photosynthesis. So, your answer is photosynthesis is a chemical change, the process of chemical change. Second one is dissolving sugar in water. This is the physical change. Third one is burning of coal. So this is a chemical change. Fourth one is melting of wax. This is physical change. Fifth one is beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. So this is physical change. And last one is digestion of food. So this is chemical change. So your answer is like, you write the answer like in your copy like this. Now question number second. State whether the following sentence are true or false. In a case statement is false, write the correct statement in your notebook. So question number first is, cutting a log of wood into pieces in a chemical is a chemical change. True or false? So this is false, because reason is cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. This is not a chemical change. This is a physical change. Second question is, formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. So your answer is false, because formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Third one is, iron pipe coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. So this is true. And rust are the same substance. This answer is D, false, because iron and rust are the different substance. Rust is iron oxide, which is Fe2O3. And last one is, fifth one is, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. So this is true. This is a physical change. Question number third, fill in the blanks. First one is, when carbon dioxide is passes through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of, answer is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Second question is, the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Third one is, two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevent are, first one is galvanization and second one is painting. Fourth question, change in which only blank property of a substance change are called physical change. So your answer is physical property. Physical property of substance change are called physical change. Last one is, change in which new substance are formed are called chemical change. Answer is chemical change. Now question number fourth. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of gas. What types of change it is, and explain. So your answer is, when baking soda, which is sodium hydrogen carbonate, is mixed with lemon juice, which is citric acid, bubbles are formed. The bubbles are formed due to the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. This is a chemical change. जो बबल फॉर्म होती है वो जो है आपके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस के एवोल्यूशन के कारण ये बबल्स फॉर्म होती है, और ये चेंज जो होता है केमिकल चेंज होता है. इन दिस चेंज citric acid contained in lemon juice react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, which results in evolution of carbon dioxide gas. So here the reaction is, when lemon, which is citric acid, plus baking soda, it react with each other, then the product form carbon dioxide and other substance. Question number 5. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical change take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical change take place. So your answer is, when a candle burns, both physical and chemical change take place. Chemical change, which is melting of wax, and chemical change, which is burning of wax. This is the changes of physical and chemical. Now the another example is, eating of food is an example of where both physical and chemical changes occur simultaneously. Here physical change, breaking down of large food particles into small particles. Question number 6. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? This is an important question. So your answer is, once the curd is formed, milk cannot be reobtained from it. Also, both milk and curd have different properties. Since these are properties of chemical change, setting of curd is a chemical change. So this is a chemical example of chemical change. Question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different type of changes. So your answer is, when we burn wood, a new substance, coal, is formed. That's why this process is called chemical change. But when we cut wood, only the shape and size of the wood are changed. So that's why this change is called a physical change. Now question number 8. Describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. Answer is, crystal of copper sulfate are prepared by the method of crystallization. The process is as follows. A cup full of water is taken in a beaker. Few drops of dilute sulfuric acid are added on this. The water is then heated, and when it's starting boiling, copper sulfate powder is added with stirring. Copper sulfate powder should be added on till the solution becomes saturated. It is then filtered into a china dish and allowed to cool. The solution should be kept undisturbed. Slowly the crystals of copper sulfate separate out. इसमें कॉपर सल्फेट जो है, इसके क्रिस्टल्स कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं, इसके लिए एक प्रोसेस होती है. इसमें एक कप में हम वाटर लेते हैं और इसमें कुछ ड्रॉप जो है डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की हम उसमें ऐड करते हैं और इसको अब हम हीट करते गर्म करते हैं. और जैसे ही ये बॉइलिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है, अब हम इसमें कॉपर सल्फेट पाउडर को ऐड करते हैं और अच्छे से हिलाते घोलते जाते हैं. और इसमें हम कॉपर सल्फेट के पाउडर को तब तक डालेंगे जब तक कि ये सॉल्यूशन सैचुरेटेड ना हो जाए. अब हम इसे फ़िल्टर कर लेंगे. कुछ टाइम तक इसे बिना डिस्टर्ब किए वेट करेंगे. फिर हम देखेंगे कि हमें इसमें जो है क्रिस्टल्स जो है कॉपर सल्फेट के क्रिस्टल इससे अलग मिल जाएंगे और वो हमें अलग ही दिखाई देने लगेंगे. सो दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. एक्सप्लेन how painting of an iron gate prevent it from rusting. So your answer is, rusting is added by both moisture, water and air, oxygen. By painting an iron gate, we prevent its contact from the air and moisture present in the atmosphere. Hence rusting is prevented. Question number 10. Explain why rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. Explain why rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. So your answer is, both air and moisture are required for rusting to take place. in coastal areas, the quantity of moisture present in air is more than that the deserts. In deserts area, the amount of moisture in air is even lower. Therefore, rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. Question number 11th. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). In the cylinder is exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas, change A. Then it burns, change B. The following statements pertain of these change. Choose the correct one. First one is process A is a chemical change, process B is a chemical change. Both process A and B are a chemical change. None of these is a chemical change. Your answer is process B is a chemical change. B, which is it burns. So burning is a chemical change. Question number 12.